How's it, guys? It's Wade here again from AirFX doing my weekly breakdown on US30 GJ and GU. Because of load shedding, I have to do this video. So yeah, let's see what happens. Okay, what's happening? Anyway, all right, guys. Currently, you guys can see I am on US30. So for this coming week, I'm just going to go to the daily time frame that first. As you guys can see, we have broken levels of support. If I was looking for more buy trades, I don't think it would have broken these levels of support. But clearly, let's just see what happens this week. So on the 4-hourly time frame as well, we have broken levels of support. So what I'll be looking for on levels of 33451.21, I'll be looking for a rejection at this zone right here. So as you guys can see, I have really like figured out what I've been waiting for, what I'm going to wait for this coming week. And guys, clearly I do not take my entries on my 4-hourly time frame. I will take it on my 30 or my 15-minute time frame. So for now, obviously I'll be waiting for rejection on the zone. If that does not happen, as you guys clearly know, we'll wait for a nice push up, a break of levels of resistance, and then obviously wait for a nice retest at new levels of support, and then obviously just see this market go up. So market can go either way, but for now, not to complicate things, I'll just be waiting for sell trades. Like I said, you guys, like I always say, you guys do not have to take these trades. This is what I'm seeing for this coming week. Obviously the market is unpredictable. Sometimes it just doesn't happen the way I predict it to happen. So for now, for this coming week, I'll just be looking for sell trades on US30. Let's go to GJ. All right, yet again, you guys can see I was busy, but then load shedding. But anyway, so guys, let's quickly check here something. Sorry, guys. What is it? All right. Anyway, guys, sorry about that. So yeah, for now, here we have seen double bottom at the bottom, levels of support, we have levels of resistance at this moment. So guys, as you guys know, for now, I'll be waiting to see if levels of resistance break. All right, so if they do break, I'll be waiting for a nice retest on new levels of support. We will be waiting for something like that. All right, let's do it. Cool, man. There we go. So yeah, that's what I'll be waiting for. If that setup does happen, so I'll obviously wait for a nice break of resistance and retest that support. Look for rejection at levels of 161,237. And yeah, so then I'll look for buy trades. Like I said, you guys do not have to take these trades. And as well, like I said, the market is unpredictable. So if that does not happen, I'll wait for a push. Even there, you can see a nice push back down to these levels of support, and obviously you'll be able to see it on a lower time frame. Then this can even happen, you know, and then you look for buy trades. All right, it doesn't necessarily have to break past these levels to come to retest. It can retest it as well. As you guys can see, there is a nice level of support as well, and clearly you'll probably see it on a lower time frame, which is around there. So yeah, guys, that's what I'll be waiting for this coming week. I'm gonna stay on a 4-hourly time frame. All right, gone daily. So guys, if that does not happen, obviously then I'll most likely then wait for these levels to break past this level of support, and then wait for a retest. That a retest at new levels of resistance, and then look for sell trades going down. Sorry for this taking so long. Anyway, so and that's what I'll be waiting for. I mean, either way, there's two setups that can happen. like I said, it doesn't have to necessarily break these levels of support. We can do that, break that level of support on a lower time frame. That will happen. I'm not saying it's gonna happen, but it's possible. And then look for a nice rejection and then sell down. So this is what can happen this coming week. That's what I'll be looking for. So obviously I'll look for nice setups to happen this week. So let's go to GU. Alright guys, clearly on my daily time frame, I would like to see this level of resistance break 1.24370. That's what I'll be waiting for a nice break on a daily time frame, so I at least know the direction that this chart or this this like where the market wants to go. Anyway, so yeah, for now, as you guys can see on a 4-hourly time frame, we have broken levels of resistance to form new levels of support right there. It necessarily doesn't have to go back down there. You guys can see if you look left, there is another zone right there. Obviously, if you put that out right there, you can see boom, levels of support, rejection, boom, and then we can go back there. So yeah, I'm gonna leave that there for now. Just hate it in the anyway. So I'll be waiting for these levels to break. We'll do this on a daily time frame. I think it's much easier. So I'm gonna say insert. So yeah, I'll be waiting for that. Oh, now I'm at 412. So I'll be waiting for a nice break of levels of resistance, and then a nice pullback down to levels or new levels of support. Hopefully this will happen in this market this coming week. I'm not sure, but let's see what happens. And then boom, I'll wait for nice buy trades on GU, guys. And as well, you know, sometimes the market is unpredictable, and if that does not happen, what do you guys think I'm going to say just now? Like I always say, let's see what's going to happen there. Boom. So then I'll wait for the small levels on a lower time frame to break level of support. I'll see what this will make out. Wow. There we go. I don't want to go back into the whole second and all that stuff. So yeah. So then I'll be waiting for a new retest rejection at these levels here. If I look for south trade this coming week. And then go back in. And then I'll wait for a nice rejection at new levels of resistance and boom, look for sell trades. So yeah, for this coming week on GU as well, there's a lot of things to look at and a lot of things to look for. So clearly I'll just wait for a nice setup, which whatever one happens, right, that's the one I'll take. So yeah, guys, that is what I see on GU, GJ, and US30. Guys, you do not have to take these trades. Like I say, I can't always be right. Trades just happen. Sometimes the setup happens exactly the same way you predict it to happen. Sometimes it just doesn't. And like I always say, please always risk the amount of money you can afford to lose on the market. Do not overtrade. Do not chase the market, please. So yeah, you cannot trade today or tomorrow or Wednesday when the case is always the next day. Do not rush things. But guys, that is what I see for this coming week. I hope you guys have an amazing week and that you guys make money and have a blessed week ahead. Thanks, guys.